guys, welcome back perfectly in time as usual. So, believe it or not, I have seen people cooking Italian food with this stuff. I swear to God, I'm not gonna rant about ketchup. I love ketchup. Eventually, believe it or not, we will use it. Not for Italian food, obviously. When it comes down to your pasta, lasagna, pizza, you need this bad boy. This is a San Marzano tomato. You are gonna need, and you're gonna learn today, how to turn this into this. This stuff our grandparents were keeping for months. So you can stockpile it. It will last a long time. Natural, non-chemical, non-GMOs. With this, I like to call it the foundation of life because you can do so many things with it. This is 3 generations of my family right here, and today, actually for the first time, I never shared this with anybody. I'm gonna share it with you, and by the end, you will know how to do this beauty. So while we cook it, I wanna tell you a couple of things as well, so follow me. So as per usual in Cook and Tell, this is gonna be very, very simple. You get your San Marzano tomato, wash and peeled. I'll teach you how to do it. If you have a brand that you know you can really trust of peeled tomato, go ahead and use it. That's completely up to you. An ingredient that will never be missing in this kitchen. Which one is it? Put that pedal to the metal. Okay, let's begin. Once you chop your onion finely, heat on. What you need is a small pan, like this one, small frying pan. It's not too big what you need. And what you're gonna need is just, once again, extra virgin olive oil. You are gonna put on it around 2 tablespoons. This is more than enough. Way more than enough. Okay, because what we need to do, what we want to do is just to fry a little bit our onion. Now, why fry it and not cook it directly? Because when you fry the onion with the garlic and the dry spices on extra virgin olive oil, really acquires a beautiful, beautiful flavor. So this will just take a couple of minutes, right? You just want to get it golden brown. Now, throughout time, many people have asked me why when I do my tomato sauce, it becomes orange and it's not that live, red, beautiful color as the tomato itself. Easy. You cannot blend tomatoes, guys. The blades of the blender will hyperoxygenate. We'll put a lot of air inside, so it will become pink and it will become sweet. Answer, crush them. 2 ways. You can either buy this, you can find this is super cheap on Amazon or on eBay, any page you like, any store you like, it's super cheap. It will crush the vegetables. I will teach you how to use it. I love this. I really cannot live without this. So what happens if you, oh my God, I don't have the fancy Italian gadget. Do this.
Finish him!
Okay, so we have here our tomatoes that we previously peeled, okay? And once again, you can use the tomatoes I teach you how to peel, or you can use already peeled tomatoes. That's completely up to you. You need a tall pan, and this, if you have it, once again, I already showed you the other way you guys can do it, but let's focus on this one right now. So let's start putting the tomatoes inside here carefully so I can teach you how this works. You see, low speed, it will not blend the tomato, it will not hyperoxygenate it, and the sauce will stay this beautiful red. Okay, the beauty of this is now that you will get your vegetables that we previously did. Well, vegetables is just the onion and the garlic, and you're gonna place it here. With all that beautiful olive oil. You don't want to miss any of this taste. And you add some more tomato to it. All that remains now here, you can either throw it away. You know, throwing away things is not down my road. This is like a tomato paste that you guys can take and spread over a nice piece of bread, put some cheese on it, put it in the oven 20 minutes to 300 Fahrenheit, and you guys will get like mini pizzas, because this here, you can eat it. This is just tomato, you see? The thing is, the fibers are a little bit coarse and will not go through this filter down here, which is that makes the sauce smooth. And voila. Look how smooth it is. Now, take a look on how liquid it is right now and how we're gonna thicken it, cook it, and spice it up. Once it's finally boiling, okay, this is two crucial steps. We're gonna put salt and we're gonna put the basil. Now, salt. Remember that salt can always be added, but it cannot be removed. So this is what I do. I get a very small teaspoon of salt. This usually is more than enough. You add it in once again once it's boiling. Okay, and you get a little bit of basil. Chop it as finely as you can. This one is fresh, but it was frozen. I had it frozen, so you see what I was telling you the other day. You guys can keep your stuff frozen. It will not lose any properties. Okay, once it's finely chopped, you add your basil as well. This will add a punch of flavor. A big punch of flavor. It's beautiful. Very well, so we are back here. Look at this beauty. It's very, very thick. If you want it thicker, simply leave it longer. That's how you will regulate your cooking times. Now, let's go a little bit into the scientific part of this. Now, let's make a long story short. There is a principle of pressure of air. Hot air creates a lot of pressure. So, if I close this lid right now, when these fumes start to expand, it will create pressure inside. But when they cool off, they will suck in the lid down. And there you go, you created vacuum at home. You will understand this joy very soon. There you go. Secret revealed. Wherever my nonna is, I know she's extremely happy I was able to pass this on to you guys. We will do so many stuff in the channel with this. We will do pasta, risotto, we will do lasagna, ragu. Oh, so many things. That's why I wanted you to have it on the fridge. Talking about the fridge, keep it a couple of weeks. I will tell you to put it on the freezer, for the freezer goes pretty much forever. You can even unfreeze it, use what you need and freeze it back. Okay? What I want to tell you is I did this with a lot of love for you guys. So show me some love back. Please like, share, subscribe, but overall let me know about you. If you need any help, just give me a shout. Before I go, I want to make a big shout out to my homeboy Daniel Ruggiero, which is helping me with the great music that we have on the channel right now. So thank you, and for you guys, vi voglio bene, arrivederci, see you guys next Friday.